Hello everybody, it's been a long time. How y'all been? Today we are doing a review on the JWick JWK linears, the blackery color, because I like black switches. You know what they say, once you go black, you never go back. Yeah, so I got these switches for mad cheap for like 20 cents, I think, on group buy, 24 cents each, I think. So I didn't pay much for them, so I was like, you know what, let's lube them up and see what they do. I went ahead and compared them to the Alpacas, which are basically the same thing, and the Duroc linears as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put little sound comparisons in there, and then show you the stock typing test, which I did on stream, and the lube typing test, which I think personally sounds pretty good, but you can be the judge of that. So thank you for tuning in, and enjoy the video. So as you can see, there is a slight benefit from lubing and filming. I used Crytox 205 grade 0 for everything, and Key switch films. In comparison to the Duroc linears and the Alpacas, the sound signature is pretty damn similar. I went ahead and switched the positions of the Alpacas, or the Alpaca and the JWK, and as you see, bro, it sounds like the same, and you're paying 3 times less. So anyway, here's the stock sound test and the lube sound test, and let me know what you think. And this is my first time doing this video, so give me some feedback. Is it cool? Do you like it? Does it suck? Thank you.
That's crazy. $104, nice.